Hello children. So today we will see how to simplify a root. So how to simplify a root? Most of the time students get confused in a root and how to do the adds, that is sum of that roots, multiply the roots, division of the root. So in the basic arithmetic they feel it hard. So first of all I would introduce you to the symbol root. This is a symbol of root. Suppose I am saying it is a root x, which means that this power is 1 by 2. Root x is nothing but x to the power 1 by 2. In general, if I am writing a variable x, which means x to the power 1. If I am saying x square means a power 2. But when I am saying x to the power 1 by 2, that means it is a root x. You can read it like root x. So there can be question arising what to do when the root addition is there. For example, consider I am having root 1 plus root 1. This is the first example. So what you can do with the root 1 plus root 1? So dear students, you might have remember about the addition of the like terms. For example, I want to add these like terms x plus x. So you know that whenever the like terms are there, you can add them like x plus x, 2x. So like you add x plus x to x, in the same way variable like terms can be added. So consider this root 1 plus root 1. They are like a same variables like x, x. So you can do 2 times root 1. So root 1 plus root 1 is nothing but 2 times root 1. Another question we have, for example, you want to add 2 root 3 plus root 3. So how to add 2 root 3 plus root 3? So consider again this is x, again this is also x, and 2 as a coefficient. So you can take it as 2 plus 1 here, 3 root 3. Just consider it like a x and this is also x. 2x plus x like a 3x, in the same way 3 root 3. Again we have a third problem. 5 root 2 plus 4 root 3. So for example, consider this root 2 and root 3 as a different variable like x and y. For your understanding I am saying like you have a 5x plus 4y. You cannot add these terms, they are unlike. In the same way, 5 root 2 plus 4 root 3 cannot be added. So you can keep them like this, 5 root 2 plus 4 root 3. Keep them as it is. And suppose you are having a fourth example, root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. So x plus x plus x, just like we do 3x, in the same way you can write down 3 times root 2. So this is the addition of the roots. In the same way, if I want to do the subtraction, so if we have the subtract problems, you can simply say, for example, root 1 minus root 1. This is same like x minus x, same variables. If you subtract, you will get a 0 here. Another I am having 2 root 3 minus root 3. Consider here root 3 as a x, 2x minus x like that. So you can have a just root 3 because 2 minus 1, 1 root 3, which is nothing but just you can say it's a root 3. Then we have a 6 root 2 minus 4 root 3. So here we have a different roots here, root 2 and root 3. They cannot be subtracted. So you keep them as it is. Next children, we have a multiplication. Multiply the roots. For example, you want to multiply root 1 into root 1. So as I said you that this root is nothing but 1 to the power 1 by 2. And this also root 1 means 1 to the power 1 by 2. Now you know that laws of exponent a to the power m into a to the power n. bases are same, you should add their powers. So in the same way, here I can do it 1 as a base to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that means of 1. So it's nothing but 1 to the power 1, which is just 1. So when a same root multiply by same root, the root will cancel. Okay. In the same way, we can have another example. Root 3 into root 2. So here you observe that they are not similar roots. Like if I go according to the exponents, like it is a 3 to the power 1 by 2 and it is 2 to the power 1 by 2. So we know that when the bases are different but their powers are same, like it is a to the power m and it is b to the power m. So you can just multiply the bases and keep the power m common. So here also I can do 3 2s are 6 to the common power m. That means 6 1 by 2 means it's nothing but root 6. What does I am doing here? 3 multiplied by 2. You can multiply them. That is 3 2s are 6. So it's a root 6. Suppose I am having 5 root 6 multiply by 4 root 6. So here just multiply 5 and 4. So you'll get a 5 into 4 here. And root 6 multiply by root 6. So you'll get here 5 4s are 20 and that root 6 into root 6. Listen here students, root x into root x is just x. As you see here I have solved it. When a same root multiply by itself, root will cancel. So here just it will be 6. So the final answer is 120 here. So now students, we will see divide. So in a divide, if you want to solve that root 1 divided by root 1. So you know that root 1 divided by root 1, it will cancel it. And the final answer is like a 1. Like x divided by x, you can simply get a 1. Like that you can see. We have 5 root 3 divided by 6 root 3. So just take it as a 5 root 3 divided by 6 root 3. So root 3, that means 3 to the power 1 by 2 and 3 to the power 1 by 2 will cancel and the fraction it will be just 5 by 6. But if you have a different roots like root 3 divided by root 2, so you cannot cancel them, you need to keep them root 3 by root 2 as it is. So dear students, hope you have understood these how to simplify roots. Root can be nothing but a power 1 by 2. Addition is very basic like that. Subtraction. In a multiplication you can go with the exponent rules. Take the root as a power 1 by 2 and you can follow for the division also. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.